G'day everybody.
Morning.
We're doing something different this week. John's going to give some tips and know-how on sailing. Let us know how we do, and we'll see you at the end of the video.
Yeah, comment, subscribe, all the usual things, and yeah, hopefully it'll be helpful, and you might learn something. Thank you.
Thanks.
Make sure you're hanging on for a second. Yeah.
Hold on, I'll be wait.
When you get now, turn to port a little bit. Now you go back on your course. You go straight onto the wave so that you don't get the side of the slot. Okay. That's all.
What was that, John?
When you get powerboat, it's passing you and leaving a big wake. If you turn slightly into the wash, to the angle that's coming towards you, you don't get the rocking and the rolling and the bad things falling over in the boat, things breaking, people falling off the boat.
What does moving the tracks there do, John?
Changes the angle, the sail gets pulled in on. See what it does, sweetie?
Yeah.
That changes. So what you try and do is you get that angle to touch the forestay of the sail about 3/4 of the way up.
And what do you mean touch the foresail?
If you
Touch the...
yeah,
I don't understand.
right. The angle that this is going up,
Yeah.
the rope through your block, touches roughly about 7/8 up your forestay. Right, so about 3/4. So where it touches, it should touch about 3/4 of the way up.
Oh, okay.
Right, so that then, these lines are a bit heavy for lightweight.
Yeah.
Right, so what you're trying to do is see how this is curling in.
Yeah.
You want to stop a little bit of that.
Oh, okay.
We can ease it off a bit, and the actual telltales on the sails are just hanging down because there's not much wind.
Yeah.
There's more wind out there. We might put a tack in and go out there. Yeah, we're just running a quick question for everybody in regards to a man overboard or woman overboard. If you get a person fall overboard, for argument's sake, starboard side, which way would you turn your boat? Whether you've got the sails up or the motor running?
Well, we all thought port because then you don't want to run over the person.
Yeah, which is wrong because then you turn that way you turn the stern into the person.
Ah.
So you turn the direction of the person falling overboard. Then you organise your sails, your crew, engine, turn around and come and pick the person up.
Throw a buoy.
Yeah, you do all your safety procedures. You pick a crew member to watch the person in the water. Somebody else handles all the life-saving gear. And that's if you've got enough crew. If you're on your own and you're just sailing two-handed, then it's up to the person that's on the helm to organise to rescue the person involved.
I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to know anything more, just comment below. To help us out, just subscribe,
Yep.
like, and we'll see you next time. Bye. G'day everybody, we're doing something different this week. Okay, we'll do it again. Take two. G'day everybody.
Hi.
This week we're going to do something a bit different. Yeah, I've forgotten. Take 3. You ready?